Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, c'est vendredi, le 9 septembre. Let's do a little calendar talk. Aujourd'hui, today, c'est vendredi. Donc, hier, c'était jeudi. Et demain, c'est samedi. Okay. Aujourd'hui, le mot de passe est merci. Go back and listen to La Chanson again, janvier, février, mars, to get those months down. Speaking of which, you can do a Quizlet to learn the months of the year, the days of the week that we were just talking about, as well as the vocab that we've done with the branche ou crocodile story, and there's some muzzy vocabulary there too. Okay, so those are practice. I would like you to make sure you do some practice with Quizlet before you do your quick write. That's really the one productive thing that you're going to be doing today. Let's take a look at that. So this is your first quick write en français. You are going to put it in the quick write section of your cahier. So if you recall, your first page of your notebook, cahier, is your mot de passe, your password list. The pages 1 through 3 should be reserved for les mots de passe. Around page 4, page 4, is where your quick write should start. So that's where you should have put your one in English last week, and then that's where you're going to continue to put your quick writes from now on. I always want you to put the date en français at the top of your quick write. Here it is for today. You could have also found it on the last slide. And then just do your best with content and spelling. I do not want you to use Google Translate. In fact, you should not be using any resources for this. I just want you to think, okay, I've had 2 weeks of French now. What can I think of off the top of my head? Maybe I can think of the days of the week or the months. I can list them. Do your best with the spelling. Maybe I can remember how to introduce myself. Maybe I can ask ça va and give some answers to that. Maybe I can use or at least list a little bit of the vocabulary that we learned in the branche ou crocodile story. So you have lots of options, whatever comes to your head, and a minute goes by fast. So use this timer, use your phone timer, I don't care. Just time yourself for 1 minute, and I want you to try to write the entire time. So that means if you run out of things, then rewrite what you already wrote, okay? So that is your quick write for this week. You don't need to do anything with those just yet. However, in Schoology, you see that on our main page, you have your quick write portfolio as one of your assignments. So this talks about your one last week, and I asked you, I think last week, to leave, or rather to upload a picture into this portfolio so I could see it. Since that one was in English, I just wanted to read through it and kind of learn more about you all. I am not sure many of you did it. I need to check. I haven't seen any submissions yet. But you don't need to upload every week. So the one you do today, you can just, I did ask you to do that. I wanted to make sure. So the one that you did in English last week, I did ask you to upload to this quick write portfolio as a way to practice that procedure. And also just, again, so I could read what you'd written about yourself in English. But today, and for the next few weeks, you will not need to upload. What will happen is this assignment is due at the end of first quarter, which is October 14th. And that week will be that you'll be taking your quick write portfolio and determining which quick writes you want to include in it. So you'll look back through all of them that you've done. You'll choose 5 that kind of show your progress, and those are the ones that you'll include. So if you want to just put them all in every week and then you can just get rid of the ones that you don't want, that works. Remember, what I mean by uploading is you are opening a slide for each one. So this is from last week, le 2 septembre. So you would have taken a picture of your English quick write, put it right here, pasted it right here. Well, yeah, copy pasted it right here, inserted it right here, and then that's all you need to do. So what you'll do then for subsequent quick writes is you'll either put them in here right away, or you'll wait and choose 5 of them to put in when the assignment's due in mid-October. Okay, other than that, the only other thing I'd like you to please do today is your weekly check-in. I've enjoyed reading those, learning a little more about you, hearing about what some of your struggles are, challenges too. I know some of you are new to online learning, and I know learning a language, especially online, can be tricky. So I appreciate hearing about that. But your weekly check-in button is right here. That is all I have. Let me know if you have any questions. Au revoir tout le monde. Bon weekend.